I'm excited to bring you the Switchpod. In my opinion, it's the best travel tripod for 2020.
This is coming up to El Segundo Beach.
It comes in a beautiful box. It's got 3 sturdy aluminium legs. These fold up really easily. You can go from vlogging mode to tripod mode within a few seconds. Isn't that sweet?
And on the way home,
let me show you some of the other features. So you've got a screw on the top here. You can hold a tripod with one hand, and you can go to tripod mode, as I said before, really easily. And then if you want to close it, you can close it like that with one hand. Let me show you some of the other benefits of the Switchpod. It's got a screw on top so you can mount the camera directly on top of the tripod. All you have to do is sit on top. You've got the screw at the bottom here that you can screw tight to mount the camera. So it's tight, and then you're ready for vlogging. Like so. Some other great things about it is that the legs are magnetic, so they stick together. At the bottom you've got this rubber padding so it doesn't slip when it's on the surface. So it's super steady. What if you want to mount a phone? You just get up one of these balls with a phone attachment and just screw it on top here. You have your phone mount. What I like about this is that it's really sturdy, so it's going to last forever. It's going to hold heavy cameras without falling over. You can even hold it with one leg, and you can even close it with one hand. You can even attach a carabiner on the bottom here so you can hold it. And it's great for easy storage. I also have the GorillaPod, but you have to keep on maneuvering the legs to make it stand up clearly. But with this one, it stands up super sturdy right away. The only cons of the Switchpod that I can think of is that you can't wrap it around trees or poles. Like with the GorillaPod, you can bend the legs. The problem with the GorillaPod, you have to keep on bending the legs, and then it's not necessarily the right sturdiness when you put it on the ground. It can easily fall over when you put the camera on it. The beauty about the Switchpod is that it's super sturdy and it's going to last forever. The only improvement I can think of is to have an integrated ball head that sits on top of the Switchpod. If you have a spare ball head, you can just screw it to the top of the Switchpod. So I have a spare ball head here. I'm going to put it on top. I can screw it tight by just turning this knob at the bottom. Now I can put my camera on top and I can adjust it according to any surface that I have the camera on. It might take a bit of practice to get used to the opening and closing of the legs. But it sure beats playing with the GorillaPod. Another great improvement would be to have different colors available. I do like the beautiful box that the Switchpod came in. Let me show you inside it. The Switchpod fits snugly inside the box. Let me show you how it looks when I put the Switchpod inside it. Here's a Switchpod inside a beautiful box. On the back side, it shows you how to use the Switchpod. My question to you is, which travel tripod do you prefer? The Switchpod or the GorillaPod? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to get your hands on the Switchpod for vlogging while you're traveling, or just to use it as a tripod on your desk, click the link in the description below this video. It's my affiliate link, so I'll get a small commission, but it helps support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, I'm going to practice vlogging with my Switchpod.